Hello, good afternoon. It's Beverlee with Stampin' All Day with Bev. I just wanted to get on and show you the make and take for my May open house, which is this coming Thursday. So just 3 more days, and I will be open from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. And you can come here and make this card as the make and take. It's a free card. I will supply everything. All you have to do is let me know that you're coming with an RSVP. You can either comment on this video here, or you can send me an email. Here's my email address, and let me know that you will be here. And if you're bringing a friend, let me know that too. So whoever RSVPs will have a make and take ready for them. So what did I use? I used the Brilliance Wings dies, which are retiring today. Today is the last day you can get these dies. So if you want them, they are in the current catalog on page 169, and their code is 155523. Of course, there's a lot more dies than this in the set, but this is the one I used for the make and take. And I also used the cheerful dies. Again, there are more dies than this in the set, but this is the one I used for the make and take. I used the Fern folder, item number 158804, and basic white cardstock. Now when you come to open house, please bring your adhesives. That is your liquid glue, your mini glue dots, your dimensionals. And for this card, if you would bring your take your pick tool, and your bone folder is always a good idea to have with you, and your Wink of Stella. And the reason I want you to have your bone folder is I cut out the dies for you, but there may be little pieces in there that you'll need to poke out before you make your card. So, and you'll need your take your pick tool for that. But while I had you on board, I wanted to show you how I made this card, because I know a lot of people live out of state, out of town, can't come, different reasons, different things. So maybe if you have these things, you can make the card at home. So the card base is just a regular 8.5 by 5.5 card base, folded in half at 4 1/4, and then a layer piece, which is 4 by 5 1/4, and I ran it through the Fern folder. So that just gets layered right on top. Let me glue this down and show you exactly what I did to make this card. Very simple, yet very elegant. And I've been getting a lot of comments about it, how much it is loved. So I wanted to share it with everybody. Hi, Laura. Okay, next, excuse me. I took the daisies and a Post-it note, and lemon lime twist ink. I'm going to tear my Post-it note in half, and I am going to mask over the parts of the daisy that I do not want to affect with color. I want the daisies to stay white, so I'll protect them with my Post-it note. Now I'm going to take my dauber, little dauber, and my ink. Hey, Sonia. And just tap this color right onto the leaves and the stem. So today I am out here in my studio. I make 2 samples for the make and take table. This is the second sample. Hi, Andrea. And then I cut out all the pieces. So when you get here, all you have to do is basically put the card together. Okay, so I remove the Post-it notes. Hey there. And here is the daisies. Now you're going to figure out how you want to lay them on your card. And I think that that is a good place right there. But I wanted to stamp the centers of these beautiful daisies. And I wanted to use this, hi Annie, new color, Wild Wheat. So if you do not have this color yet, you will get to use it and see it at open house. And I used the largest center in the daisy set. And I just stamped all 3 of the centers. Hello, Anne. Just like that. Okay, then I can lay this down. Now this card at the time felt to me that it needed more places to be filled up. So that's where I got the idea to use the Brilliant Wings dies. I need to poke out a few of these little pieces that are still in here. So that's why when you come to open house, if you have a bone folder, take your pick tool, please bring it because you are going to have to poke out a few of these little things that don't fall out automatically. And your Wink of Stella, just because I only have 2 and they're both running low and they're not available for order right now. So I want you to be able to add Wink of Stella if you have it when you're here at open house. Now, if you don't have these things, don't worry about it. You can certainly use mine. Don't say, well, I can't go to open house because I don't have those things. No. If you have them, bring them. It's helpful. But if you do not have them, don't worry about it. It's fine. So the butterflies on this card, in my opinion, in order for them to look nice, they needed to be cut out. So I just started cutting them one at a time, and I decided how I wanted the daisies to lay, and then I started placing it down to see what works for me. I think I want it up just a little bit more like that. Now I have to be aware of all the daisies and the leaves not going over the card, the end of the cards. So that's when I turn it. I keep looking to see that we're not past the center seam and we're not hanging over the edge here. And that looks good like that to me. Okay, so then I'm going to cut this one. And when I cut them, they can have a funny little edge. So you just go back and trim that up to make it look a little more natural. And this one, I like it right in here. So I'm just going to place it, I think. Let's see, let me get them all cut out. Make sure I've got the right sizes in the right place. I think this one goes here. Let me cut this one out. Hey, Joan. Hi, Tina. Okay, and then this one. So this one die gives you all these gorgeous butterflies. Okay, and I definitely know this big one is going to go on the inside of my card. All right, so I'm going to have the layout like this. This butterfly landing on this daisy. This one, let's tuck him under. Since this one has a lot of our attention in the yellow lemon lolly color in there. Then this one, we're going to do half and half, right like that. And I think that looks good. I still want to turn this just slightly. Okay, so I'm going to take my glue And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this petal here. And I will set the body of this butterfly right on that petal. And bend it up just a little bit. Okay, now this one, I'm going to put a little bit of glue right on these petals here. Watch my placement again, just to make sure I'm not overflowing. And we can set that butterfly in there. And then this one, I will actually put the glue on the back of these wings. The other thing I wanted to announce is I have an in-person class with the Cheerful Daisy stamp set on June 23rd. It is a Friday. It is at 10 o'clock in the morning here in my shop. And if you want to come, you will purchase the Cheerful Daisies bundle from me using this month's host code, and then you will be in the class. I still have some room, so let me know as soon as possible if you can come, and then you'll be included in that class. I will take, I don't know, 10 or 15 people max. 10 or 12, 15 even. We'll see how many responses I get. I think I have 6 already. So here's the Wink of Stella. So there's at least 6 more spaces left. But you need to let me know right away so I can start working on your packets. We'll make 3 cards. And the cost of the class was the purchase of your Cheerful Daisies bundle. Okay, so I'm just going to throw some Wink of Stella on here. And I'm just letting the butterflies dry right now. I don't like to waste my time though, so I do something else while they're drying. Okay, now I can take these and I'm just going to put glue in certain spots. Just a light touch so it can hold on to the card in those areas. Okay. So here we go. Let's tap that down, bend these up. And we've got this gorgeous card, so simple. Now I'm going to take this one and just put some glue on the back side of her and place her on the back. Then I have a layer piece that gets layered right in the card. You can stamp it with whatever sentiment you would like. And then the largest butterfly, hi Louise, gets put on in the inside. Now, what else did I want to announce? Oh, yeah. Remember I said I was going to start giving away more items because my sales have increased. And with that increase of sales, who am I grateful to? I'm grateful to my customers, my followers, my subscribers, those who share my videos. So I have prizes to give away. And I write down what someone has to do to win a prize in a book. For the month of May, I have selected 3 things. And so 3 different people will have a chance to win. Now, I don't tell you what you have to do. It's all luck. So once someone accomplishes one of the things I've written down, I will notify them and let them know because of whatever it was, they have won one of my prizes and I will send it to them. So good luck. Make sure you comment on every single one of my videos. If you place an order, you have a good chance of winning the monthly prize and another prize. And so just, every month it's going to change and we'll see who wins. I just want to share the happiness. So this is the make and take for this month's open house, and I hope you can come. Now, if you come but you don't RSVP, I won't have a make and take for you, and I will be sad and you will be sad. So just RSVP and everybody will be happy, okay? Let me know if you want to sign up for my June 23rd class, and we'll get you in that. Carol Schaefer, your card is in, actually it's gone. The mail girl came, and so your card is on its way to its forever home with you. All right, ladies, I just wanted to, I'm out here making the make and takes, and so I just wanted to share how it was made in case you cannot attend and you wanted to make this card. Don't forget, if you want to order the Brilliant Wings, that it's going to expire today, and this is my host code if you're ordering from me. All right, have a nice afternoon. Bye-bye.